have their first meeting. And at that meeting, he lays out the commandment that words coding the orders are handled in the memory just like numbers. And that's what Stewart mentioned in the introduction, that up until this time, numbers were used to mean things, like 6 apples, 7 oranges, so on. And now these codes, what we call the order codes, they were numbers that were allowed to do things. And that's this fundamental transition into a very new world. And that was Alan Turing's idea, because in his original mathematical description of the Turing machine, he allows numbers to actually become machines, which is what you do when you buy your iPhone and then you download apps. You're just downloading numbers that are the particular machine. The second floor, who's above von Neumann, is Dr. Gödel, Kurt Gödel, who was even more sort of disconnected than Alan Turing from the real world. And yet, this whole address space in which we live, in many ways, is Gödel's idea. That Gödel, who was great friends with Einstein, wrote his great paper. The first thing he does is credit von Neumann, who'd been working in the same field of logic. So when they're wondering where they can put these computer people to start writing these reports, it turned out Gödel had an office for a secretary, but he didn't want a secretary. He didn't want somebody waiting for him to write. So that room was empty, and that's where the computer people started and wrote these reports.